Introduction to Rosetta Stone Learning Goals.
Rosetta Stone provides powerful tools to help you set and track your language learning goals. By using the app's built-in features, you can customize your language journey, stay motivated, and measure your progress effectively. Let's explore how to set up and monitor your personal learning goals to get the most out of your experience.
Setting up your first learning goal.
Open the Rosetta Stone app and log into your account. On the dashboard, look for the Goals or Progress section. Here, you can set specific goals, like daily practice minutes, lessons per week, or skill focus areas. Select your desired goal, adjust time or frequency settings, and save. This personalizes your learning pathway to fit your schedule and targets.
Customizing goal preferences.
Rosetta Stone lets you tailor your goals to match your needs. Choose between different languages, skill levels, and learning priorities, such as speaking, listening, or reading. You can also adjust reminders and notifications so the app gently prompts you to stay on track. Customization ensures your goals remain relevant and achievable.
Tracking progress in the app.
Once you've set your goals, Rosetta Stone tracks your daily and weekly achievements. In the app's progress section, you'll see charts and summaries showing how much time you've spent, which lessons you've completed, and how close you are to reaching your targets. Regularly checking your progress helps maintain motivation and highlights areas for improvement.
Adjusting and updating your goals.
As your skills improve or your schedule changes, you might want to update your learning goals. In Rosetta Stone, simply return to the Goals section and edit your preferences. You can increase your challenge or adjust targets for a better fit. Flexible goal setting ensures that your language learning stays effective and aligned with your personal growth.
Tips for staying motivated.
Consistency is key. Use built-in streaks, achievement badges, and reminders to keep yourself engaged. Celebrate small milestones and don't hesitate to adjust your goals if you need a change of pace. By actively using Rosetta Stone's tracking tools, you'll build steady habits and make real progress toward your language goals.